Hello everyone, this is Jonah, CEO of Deloitte. Do you hate changing or memorizing the password to your PCs or server? Of course you do, because it can be frustrating as well as time-consuming. But did you know that 99% of cyber attacks begins with stealing the user password over the PC and server? Even if you change the user password periodically, your PCs and servers are still vulnerable to cyber attacks known as APT. That's because hackers can steal the data typed into your PC or transferred to your network. Stealing your static password is not difficult. Additionally, even if you are thinking of using a one-time password or certificate instead of a static user password, you too are vulnerable to being stolen by a hacker. So what's the best solution? To overcome the vulnerability of input-based user authentication over PCs and servers, we have developed AutoPassword Access Manager. Instead of inputting user credentials, it makes PCs and servers present an automatic one-time code to the user first, and then makes user verify the code with a code on their smartphone. Watch. If you install AutoPassword Access Manager on your Windows PC and server, you don't need to type in or change the password at all. You only need to type in your ID and then confirm that AutoPassword code presented by Windows is identical with the code within the AutoPassword smartphone app. If it's identical, you simply add your fingerprint to your mobile device by touching it, and you will be automatically logged into your Windows PC. Whenever your biometric is verified, AutoPassword Access Manager automatically changes the internal user password of the OS, so you don't have to. Not only that, AutoPassword Access Manager is ready to use on Linux operating system. Similar to how Windows presents the AutoPassword code to the user first, if AutoPassword Access Manager is installed on your Linux system, it will also present the AutoPassword code directly to the user in a prompt window. So by using AutoPassword Access Manager, you no longer need to worry about potential hackers who might steal your input credentials. If you are wondering about how secure AutoPassword Access Manager is, then you should know that it does not ignore the existing user authentication process of Windows and Linux. It just adds the server verification and user biometric verification phase on top of existing user ID and password verification phase in the OS. If user biometrics are verified by the user's smartphone, AutoPassword Access Manager allows the user to get into the PC and server and then change the user password every time. In case of losing your smartphone, AutoPassword Access Manager supports various alternative authentication methods such as backup code, OTP dongle, and USB-based fingerprint sensors. Simply by changing your authentication method on login screen, you can log into your system. Currently, government agencies and internet data centers use AutoPassword Access Manager to protect their servers from cyber attacks. In adapting AutoPassword Access Manager, server managers are extremely satisfied that they do not need to change and memorize the user password of each server, aside from the security enhancement. Seeing is believing, right? Try AutoPassword Access Manager on your PC and server today by requesting a demo. It's already deployed on AWS and Azure Cloud. I hope that you enjoyed my introduction to AutoPassword Access Manager. Thank you for watching.